Hey y'all, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a unboxing of the June mystery subscription box package from DEK Designs. I covered all my info with some surplus Christmas washi. Pamela from Cordelia0704 will be happy to see this. I covered everything that's pertinent. So I have not seen this, have not opened it yet, so this is going to be my true reaction. But Pam told me that I'm going to really like this. So let's open it up. And as usual, DEK Designs always has Boo Bear on the back here. That's absolutely adorable. Looks like the little one here, the little bunny, has like flowers in her like they're a bride or something. How cute is that? All right. Okay, let's see what we got in here. So, in case you're new to my channel, Cordelia0704 is my friend, and she is a brand ambassador for DEK Designs. So she gets this kit every month as well. And so we do kind of a collaboration where we use the same sticker kit and we put our spin on it, and then we kind of cross post each other's links so that you can see how I do it and then how she does it. It's amazing how many things we do alike, and then there's a lot of things that we do that is very different. So our approaches to doing the spreads are kind of different. So anyway, I have not looked at this yet. This is called the June mystery package, and oh, Pamela said I would love this because it's gorgeous, and she's right. The main color theme is my signature color, purple. So how can anything be bad about this? Looks like a lot of lavender. Oh, and the foil, is this purple foil? Looks like purple foil. It might be silver, but when it's next to purple, it looks purple. But anyway, gosh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. All kinds of full-size boxes there. For the week, days of the week for the spread. There's washi. Lots and lots of sparkle. I love this. Now, what makes the mystery kits unique is this will not appear in the DEK shop for about a year. So if you're not a mystery kit subscriber, then and you see this and you really want it, I think tough doogies. So I was going to say something else, but I'm going to keep this PG because I don't know who's listening. But unfortunately, you will not be able to do it this time until you see this appear in the shop down the road. So anyway, more washi. They give date covers, and these are rainbow holographic foil. You can kind of see with that. It's pretty nifty stuff. Date covers, headers, and then the parts I like the dolls, the people, as Pam would say. She is not a big fan of these kind of stickers. I don't know why. I don't know if she had some sort of tragic event in her childhood where she was forced to play with paper dolls 24/7 and she finally got sick of it and decided not to do it. I don't know her reasoning, but anyway, she doesn't care for this, but I love this. I think it's gorgeous. The girls all have different skin tones, different hair colors. It's beautiful. So definitely will use that in the spread in some place. And then we've got flags, half circles. Oh, kitty cats, like that. That's cute. All kinds of that kind of stuff. Any type of banner or header or whatever you're looking for whatever planner you might have. DEK in their kits, they have something to fit just about everywhere. Butterflies are kind of my thing. I like that too. Stars down there. And of course they have their checklists where they have 3 hearts or they'll have 6. They have a Monday through Sunday checklist that I usually like to use for like meals and that kind of stuff. Some fancy dancy stuff. Oh gosh, this is gorgeous. And then all of their usual headers, to-dos, today, meals, work, exercise, this week. If you put that in like your sidebar, you can do that. And then I love when they put in little lacy boxes like that. These are always a staple in their kits. And then you always get a kit that's got various in a sundry. This is more like functional things, like, you know, for meals, groceries, laundry, trash eve, which I'm glad there's two because I have 2 pickups a week, washers and dryers, planners, coffee, teapots, and then all the fun things like books and lavender and all of these beautiful June kind of theme things, pillows for sleep, exercise. I love this. That they have great colors when it comes to their kits. So anyway, this is the June mystery kit for DEK Designs. I'll put a link to their shop down below. Like I said, since this is a mystery kit, you won't be able to get it until it comes into their shop at some point in the next year. Most likely it won't be till like next summer, but this is what it is right now, and I think it's beautiful. So thanks for watching this. The collaboration video, I should say, we're going to be doing it. Oh, hold on, let me pull up my calendar because I can't remember what date we decided on. I think we decided on the 14th. So June 14th, you'll see my video up and you'll see her video up on the same day. We usually post around the same time in the morning, so that, you know, you can take a look at one and then look at the other whenever you get a chance. And then it's fun to do the comparison. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. If you'll hit the notification bell, you'll know when I make more videos. If you will hit the thumbs up for me, that'll help my algorithm a lot, and I always appreciate your support. Thanks everybody. Peace out.